Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Kindly watch the video till the end because I have included some of the important board examination questions for practice. Our today's topic is going to be on map revision, class 10 CBSE civics history. As far as maps are concerned, it is very easy for revising. Why? Because when you compare with history and geography, history maps are very easy because you have only specified 9 places to be plotted on history maps, right? So if you thorough with all these 9 places, definitely you're gonna get 2 map places in your board examination. So if you read 9 place, 2 you will get in map positions. Apart from that, you can able to answer questions from nationalism in India if you get thorough with the map along with the background history of it, right? So that's what we're going to learn in today's session. We'll just quickly go on with the session. First place, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Amritsar. So as we are in CBSE, you will not get direct question and answer. You will not be getting like Amritsar, please plot Amritsar, not like that. So you will be getting question, a place where Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place. So first of all, you should know what is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. While revising map places, you should be knowing the background history of it. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre, it took place in Amritsar, which is located in Punjab. So, in Jallianwala Bagh incident, it is a very famous incident where General Dyer ordered for open fire, where thousands and thousands of innocent people killed. And this became the triggering point of international movement for independence. So that is the reason why we are reading Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which took place in Amritsar. So first place you're going to read on Amritsar. Second place, a place where police stations set on fire. You may get question like this, or else a place where non-cooperation movement called off. In either way, you will get question. Your answer must be Chauri Chaura, right? So in Chauri Chaura, there is an incident. So that was the time non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So at that point of time, Indians and the British officials met with rebellion in which police station was set on fire along with 22 policemen burned alive in that police station. So this incident made Gandhi ji to call off non-cooperation movement or to stop non-cooperation movement. So this particular incident is very important. So we are reading Chauri Chaura here, right? So this is the importance of. You will also get the same question in your 3-mark question for your board examination, also in your map places, right? So third question would be a place where Indigo rebellion took place. Indigo is actually a blue dye, and that was the time we have industrialization boom. In those days, to color the cloths, they usually have the natural dye in which they started planting indigo in Indian field where Indian agriculturalists, Indian farmers doesn't want to grow indigo. Why? Because it loses the fertility of the soil. It eradicates the fertility completely. After doing this cash crop, when you go for your food crop, it will not grow well. And that is the reason why Indian planters opposed indigo plantation in India. To strike against this, indigo rebellion was took place in Champaran. So this is the reason why Champaran is very famous, which is in Bihar, right? So this would be your third place. Fourth place, a place where mill workers strike took place. So Gandhiji, when he returned back to India, he launched three different satyagraha. One at Champaran, two at Ahmedabad, three at Kheda. So three different satyagrahas you have to memorize here. So now fourth place, Ahmedabad mill workers strike for the better working condition of the mill workers. Also for the increase in wages, probably 35%, right? This is the reason why they are launching Satyagraha in Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is very important map place. Number 5, Kheda, a place where peasant Satyagraha took place. Peasant Satyagraha were facing drought, famine, influenza epidemic. So that was the time they were asked to pay very high revenue, in which they couldn't do so. So that is the reason why Peasant Satyagraha was launched in Kheda, right? So Kheda is very important. Next place would be Dandi. Very, very, very easy to remember. Salt March, a place where Salt March took place, or a place where civil disobedience movement started. Either way they may ask, your answer must be Dandi, D-A-N-D-I, Dandi, which is in Gujarat, right? So next three places are going to be with your Indian National Congress sessions. So three Congress sessions are very, very, very important as far as Indian national movement are concerned. First one is going to be your Madras 1927 Indian National Congress session took place, right? So, and while marking Madras, you have to write only as Madras because we are learning history before independence era. If you write Chennai, it is wrong. You will lose mark in your board examination. So please write Madras as only Madras, not as Chennai. So next Indian National Congress. In 1920, two different places Indian National Congress session took place. One, December, Nagpur, September, Calcutta. So these different places. So here I would like to give you a small mnemonics to understand or to remember these two places. Remember the word SCND. S for September, C for Calcutta, N for Nagpur, D for December. So if you do like this, you can remember the months clearly. Why? Because both the Indian National Congress session took place in 1920. Only difference is the month, September and December, right? So September, Calcutta, December, Nagpur. So this is what you have to understand. So these are the entire 9 places for your map plotting. If you're really thorough with it, you will definitely can attempt map. You can attempt 1 mark as well as 3 mark questions for your board examination. So that is all about map revision. Revise well and get very good marks in map places. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye students, take care. Like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my videos.